I'm part of Nikon. It's been 6 to 7 months. I am teaching as a English teacher in I-10 campus. It's like quite a long, not a long journey, but I have learned a lot of things from Nikon. And what I am doing is that I am giving all those things to my students as well. I am kind of transferring things from me to the students actually. I'm learning many different things from Nikon. I never came across in such thing where I have to motivate students for different type of ceremonies and for pushing them for speeches and debates. So Nikon is motivating me for motivating the students, and what I am doing is I'm kind of transferring things from me to the students. The students are not getting this thing now. It's a great opportunity for them. Every day you don't get a chance to speak in front of audiences. See, if Nikon is giving you this opportunity, so what I am telling to my students, they should avail it. They will never, they are already improving their language skills, but they will, I guess, never find such a platform where they can practice their language skills. So Nikon is performing or giving them that platform where they can go and practice the skills which they have already developed in Nikon. Other language academies are teaching them good skills, but they are not giving this opportunity to come in front of audiences and experience this thing. So what I want is that they should just, they have this platform as well where they can practice their language skills, where they can practice their other skills as well. Apart from language, there are many students who are performing in Urdu language as well, which shows that we are developing other skills as well. We are not just developing the English language skills.